In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a squat, row and deadlift all in one nice combination movement with dumbbells. So firstly, if you're like me, there are two different ways of doing this exercise with the row and with the squat. So I'm going to show you both different variations. Those of you that have limited mobility, I'll show you what to do for the deadlift part. And those of you that want to work specific muscles of the back when you're doing the row part, there are different variations of that as well. So let's go through everything one part at a time. So I'm not even going to do this with the dumbbells to start off, just so I can show you the difference between the movements. So the squat is always going to be the same when you do this. So you've got your feet hip width apart. The feet are pointing very slightly out away from the body. I want you to imagine you're bringing your hips back. You're going to be holding the dumbbells by your side. And then when you do this, you're going to come down and back up. So what you're looking to do is keep your chest up, shoulders back. You're holding onto the dumbbells, looking up. You're bringing your glutes to the back of the room. And then you come back up. Now with the row, you would then, once you've done the squat, bring your hips back. Bring the dumbbells in line with your knees. You can either do one of two things. You can row narrow like this, so like that, or you can have a wide narrow, so either or. If you're looking to work the back of your shoulders more, go for the wide narrow. If you're looking to work your lats more, go for the narrow row. Once you've then done that, so you've done your squat, you've done whichever row variation you wanted to do. You're then going to bring those dumbbells back to the floor and do your deadlift all the way up to your start position to start off those squats again. With the deadlift, if you're someone like me that's really tall, it might be really awkward to put the weights down and keep a straight back. So for example, if I was going to bring a deadlift down, so I'd be bringing my deadlift down. In this position, that's naturally where I would want to stop, as opposed to coming all the way down to the floor. Squat first. Then we bring the weights to the knees. Do one of the two row variations we spoke about. You come down to where you can keep your mobility and then back up. That's how you do a squat, row and deadlift with a dumbbell. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.